Napkins don't fix this, so I use this compact handheld vacuum instead. It picks up snack crumbs from the seat in just a few passes. Then I clean the floor mats, where dust and sand build up fast. Cup holders, side pockets, and narrow gaps are easy to touch up too. The blower function helps push dust out of corners first. I also use it at home for couch crumbs and small everyday messes. It can also help inflate small items like a swim ring or travel pillow. Keep one around for quick cleanups. Tap the link below to check it out.